Is your Rheem AC unit making a loud rattling noise? Don't ignore it. This usually indicates a mechanical issue within the unit. The rattling stems from vibrations caused by loose or unbalanced components, like the compressor, fan blades, or even ductwork. Common culprits include loose screws or bolts, worn bearings, debris in the coils, or misaligned belts in variable speed blowers. Before calling a technician, conduct a quick visual inspection. Disconnect the power first. Check for any obviously loose parts or blockages in vents. If you're comfortable, you can carefully tighten screws or clean accessible coils with compressed air. Ignoring the noise can lead to more significant, costly repairs down the line, potentially even compressor failure. According to a 2025 ACA survey, 70% of AC rattling issues are preventable with regular maintenance. If a simple visual inspection and tightening doesn't solve the rattling, further troubleshooting might be needed. Use a multimeter to test motor resistance. Abnormal readings indicate bearing wear, which could require replacing the motor. DIY fixes like lubricating bearings or balancing fan blades are possible, but always disconnect power first and proceed cautiously. Improper fixes can void your warranty or create electrical hazards. For complex issues like compressor problems, or if your unit is still under warranty, it's best to call a certified HVC technician. Rheem's EcoNet-enabled models offer smart diagnostics, allowing you to monitor vibrations via an app, which can help identify the source of the rattling early. Regular professional maintenance, especially for units over 5 years old, can prevent rattling from escalating into major problems. As Rheem engineers note, bearings fail in 40% of units over 7 years, often causing rattling. Remember to keep those coils clean, as dust accumulation can worsen rattling, particularly in urban areas.